हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सौरभ सर्स क्लासेस। मेरा नाम अश्मिता है और आज की क्लास में हम लोग BARC दैट इज भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर के अंदर स्टाइपेंडियरी ट्रेनी या फिर जो टेक्नीशियन का पोस्ट होता है उसका जो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है उसका पैटर्न, उसका सिलेबस, नोटिफिकेशन, कैसे अप्लाई करना है, इन सभी चीज़ों के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स में डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो चलिए आज की क्लास को स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टाइपेंडियरी ट्रेनिंग का जो एग्जामिनेशन है उसमें एक ही कैटेगरी होता है, दैट इज यू हैव टू गिव द रिटन टेस्ट एंड देन यू हैव टू अटेंड द इंटरव्यू। अभी हम लोग बात करेंगे अबाउट द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस। And if you are going for stipendiary trainee category 1, then you have to attend a written test and an interview. If you are going for technician stipendiary trainee category 2, then you have to go through 3 stages, that is stage 1 including preliminary test, stage 2 including advanced test and stage 3 including skill test. तो आपका जॉब लोकेशन होगा all over India. The official website for applying to this is barc.gov.in. चलिए बात करते हैं about the exam pattern of BARC Stipendiary Trainee Category 1. So here the examination will be of objective type and 3 marks will be given for every correct answer. 1 mark would be deducted from the total for each wrong answer. Subjects हैं category 1 में related to diploma or BSc. And the number of questions that you need to attend is 40 and the time duration is 1 hour. अगर हम BARC Stipendiary Trainee Category 2 एग्जाम के बारे में बात करेंगे, like about its exam pattern, then we have already discussed it has 3 stages. तो stage 1 के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स में डिस्कशन करेंगे, that is the preliminary exam. 3 marks is given for each correct answer and 1 mark would be deducted for an incorrect answer from the entire total. All candidates with below 40% in the general category and below 30% in the reserved category will be screened out. Subjects रहेगा मैथमेटिक्स, साइंस एंड जनरल अवेयरनेस। मैथमेटिक्स से आपको 20 क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा, साइंस से आपको 20 क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा एंड जनरल अवेयरनेस से आपको 10 क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा। सो टोटल कितना हुआ? 50 क्वेश्चंस एंड द टाइम ड्यूरेशन इज 1 आवर। बात करते हैं अबाउट स्टेज 2, दैट इज द एडवांस्ड टेस्ट. 3 marks would be awarded to you for every correct answer and 1 mark would be deducted for each incorrect answer. A merit list of candidates would be prepared after stage 2 based upon the scores obtained in stage 2 only. All the candidates who get below 30% in the general category and below 20% in the reserved category will be screened out. यहाँ पे जो टॉपिक है वो है questions from their respective trade, that is number of questions would be 50 and the time duration would be 1 hour. Stage 3 deal करता है with skill test and based upon the merit list prepared after stage 2, candidates will be shortlisted for stage 3. Now candidates clearing the skill test will be shortlisted and enlisted in order of merit based on the marks secured in stage 2. The skill test will actually be based on go, no-go basis. So number of candidates who are shortlisted for the skill test will depend upon the number of candidates qualifying for stage 2, but will not exceed 4 to 5 times the number of vacancies in each trade. अभी हम लोग बात करेंगे about the BARC Stipendiary Trainee Category 1 syllabus. तो अगर आप सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के सिलेबस के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो उसमें आपको क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा फ्रॉम टॉपिक्स लाइक SI यूनिट्स, theory of structures, structural design specifications, then estimating and costing, tunneling, hydrology, soil mechanics, foundation engineering, concrete technology, RCC structure design, steel structure design, irrigation, highway engineering, engineering economics, elements of remote sensing, docks and harbors, building materials, building construction, surveying, advanced surveying, applied mechanics, strength of materials. If you are from the electrical engineering department, then you might get questions from topics like synchronous motor, electric transmission and distribution, high voltage engineering, electric illumination, electric machine design, computation, electric circuit and Ohm's law, then synchronous generator, single phase motor, electric power generation. If you are from electronics and communication engineering, then you might get questions from topics like basic electronics engineering, signals and system, digital signal processing, VLSI design and technology, embedded processors, analog communication, control systems, digital electronics, digital circuits, engineering mathematics, electromagnet, then control systems. Now, if you are from mechanical engineering, then you might get questions from topics like theory of machines, machine design, then fluid mechanics, engineering mechanics, strength of materials, refrigeration and air conditioning, heat transfer, material science, hydraulic machines, internal combustion engines, then engineering metrology, production technology, instrumentation and control, industrial engineering, power plant engineering, nuclear power plants engineering, then thermoids. If you are from instrumentation engineering, then you might get questions from topics like basics of circuits and measurement systems, then about communications, control systems and process control, then transducers, mechanical measurement, industrial instrumentation, signal and systems, then analytical, optical and biomedical instrumentation separately, analog electronics, electrical and electronic measurements, then digital electronics, analytical, optical and biomedical instrumentation. If you are from chemical engineering, then you might get questions from topics like chemical engineering, plant economics, then chemical engineering, thermodynamics, chemical process, chemical reaction engineering, environmental engineering, fertilizer technology, fluid mechanics, fuels and combustion, then furnace technology, heat transfer, mass transfer, materials and construction, mechanical operations. If you are from the chemistry department, then you might get questions from topics like some basic concepts of chemistry, then structure of atom, classification of elements and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding and molecular structure, then states of matter, that is gases and liquids, thermodynamics, equilibrium, redox reactions, hydrogen, S block element which includes alkali and alkaline earth metals, then some P block elements, then organic chemistry, some basic principles regarding it and basic techniques, then hydrocarbons, environmental chemistry, photochemistry, electrochemistry, thermodynamics, then organic synthesis, quantum chemistry, chemical kinetics, bioinorganic chemistry, chemistry of transition elements, then inorganic reaction mechanism. Then you can get questions from nuclear chemistry, acids and bases, redox reaction, structure and bonding, analytical chemistry, analytical techniques. Now, if you are from the physics department, you might get questions from physical world and measurement, work, power and energy, laws of motion, then gravitation, kinematics, solids and fluids, waves and oscillations, then electrostatics, current, electricity, electromagnetic induction and alternating current, then magnetic effect of current and magnetism, then about optics, then dual nature of matter, then radiation, paper questions, principles of communication. If you are from the mathematics department, then you might get questions from simplification, permutation, combination, numbers, alligation or mixture, area, partnership, compound interest, time and work, boats and streams, volume and surface area, decimal fraction, surds and indices, then problems on HCF and LCM, height and distance, logarithm, chain rule, probability, time and distance, square root and cube root, simple interest, pipes and cistern, ratio and proportion, problems on ages, averages, then races and games. अभी हम लोग बात करेंगे about the stipendiary trainee category 2 syllabus BARC के अंदर. So let us start with the mathematics syllabus. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को questions मिल सकता है from simplification, permutation and combination, numbers, alligation or mixtures, area, partnership, compound interest, time and work, boats and streams, and volume and surface area, decimal fraction, surds and indices, problems on HCF and LCM, height and distance, logarithm, chain rule, probability, time and distance, square root and cube root, simple interest, pipes and cisterns, then ratio, proportion, problems on ages, averages, races and games, stocks and share, bankers discount. Now the syllabus for science portion includes topics like hydrostatics and Archimedes principle, then scalar and vector quantities, parallel forces, work, power and energy, momentum, then refraction of light from lenses, kinematic theory of matter, then energy changes in chemical reactions, organic compounds, equation of motion, physical quantities and measurements, gravitation and simple pendulum, measurement of small lengths, specific heat and latent heat, levers, then refraction of light from plane surface, then magnetic field and force on a moving charge, then acids, bases and salts, carbon, thermometer and thermal expansion, waves and sound, then Newton's laws of motion, isolation and hardness of water, then electromagnetic induction, light and reflection of light from plane surface, then thermal conduction, oxidation and reduction, nature of matter, then applications of simple current, combustion and fuels, periodic classification of atoms, reflection of light from spherical mirror, behavior of gases, metals and metallurgy, chemical reactions, Coulomb's law, electric current and simple circuit, industrial chemistry, symbols and formula, constitution of atoms, static electricity. Now we are going to discuss the syllabus of general awareness portion. That is, you have questions from science and technology which might include discoveries, inventions and different other technology. Then general polity, international and national organizations, sports, important days, Indian national movement, then countries and capitals, Indian history, abbreviations, budget and 5-year plans, current affairs like both from national as well as international level, Indian economy के ऊपर, then books and authors, awards and honors. So कोई भी entrance examination हो, preparation तो आपको लेना है, and for proper preparation you need a good mentor and a good coach. और हम services classes में आपको वो guidance provide करेंगे. हम यहाँ पे सॉल्व स्टडी मटेरियल्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे, प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स सॉल्व करेंगे, जो सैम्पल पेपर्स है, अनसॉल्व पेपर्स है, उसको भी हम सॉल्व करेंगे. हम यहाँ पे रेगुलर लाइव क्लासेस प्रोवाइड करते हैं, डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस का भी फैसिलिटी है, क्रैश कोर्स का भी फैसिलिटी है. If you want to go through the mock tests and experience the exam environment, we also have that facility. We also provide you with scholarship facilities, so do check the description box below to get our contact number and the WhatsApp numbers. There you can get the Services classes website also. You can visit our website and just check how we take our classes. You will also get to know that we teach for all kind of competitive examination, and we teach for all kinds of competitive examinations as well as for all kinds of entrance examinations. So if you want guidance for any kind of competitive examination, do join our classes. If you enroll in our classes, we are going to provide you with the access to the portal where we keep our pre-recorded lectures, and like those are actually live classes which we record and then we put it in the portal so that candidates can access it 24/7 whenever they have problems. They can even visit those lectures again and again as many times as they want it. So if you want to enroll in our classes, do check the description box below and do call us at the numbers provided. So that was all about the entire exam pattern and syllabus for the stipendiary, trainee and technician posts. That was all about our classes also. So आज के क्लास के लिए बस इतना ही. हम लोग फिर से मीट करेंगे हमारे अगले क्लासेस में.